In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out on Coinbase Wallet. If you use a shared device, want a clean slate before reconnecting to dApps, or you're just practicing good security hygiene, signing out is quick and straightforward. Before we start, a quick reminder. Coinbase Wallet is a self-custody wallet different from the Coinbase Exchange app. If you sign out and haven't safely backed up your recovery phrase, you could lose access to your wallet on this device. Make sure your backup is stored securely offline and never share it with anyone. Begin by opening your Coinbase Wallet app on your device. You should see your wallet home screen with your balances and recent activity. If you have both the wallet and the Exchange app installed, double check you're in the wallet app. The interface focuses on your self-custodied assets and connected dApps rather than Exchange portfolios. If the app asks you to authenticate, go ahead and log in with your account on this device. That might mean entering your passcode, using Face ID or Touch ID or whatever you configured for local security. You should not be prompted for your recovery phrase just to unlock. The phrase is only required to import or restore a wallet. If you ever see a request for your phrase outside the official restore flow, stop immediately. It's a red flag. Once you're in, look for settings. Depending on your version, the settings icon is usually a small gear, either at the bottom navigation bar or in the top corner of the screen. Tap it to open your wallet settings. This is where you manage security options, backups, networks, and your connected preferences. Inside settings, find the option labeled Sign Out. Tapping Sign Out initiates the logout process and may show a brief explanation of what signing out does. Often the app will remind you to verify your backup before proceeding because after signing out, you'll need your passcode or recovery phrase to get back in. To complete the process, tap Sign Out again when you see the confirmation prompt. This second tap is important. It ensures you don't sign out by accident. After confirming, you'll be taken back to the welcome or onboarding screen indicating you're fully logged out on this device. That's it. You've securely signed out of Coinbase Wallet. When you're ready to return, simply open the app and authenticate as usual or restore with your recovery phrase if needed. Keep your phrase private, stored offline, and never enter it into websites or messages. Staying logged out when you're not using the wallet is a simple habit that helps keep your assets safer.